This is exactly why I recommend painting wood that's exposed to the elements rather than staining. Staining's pretty, it's nice, it's lovely, but after time, weather takes its toll, and it's not fun to redo these doors. And if you suffer from ADD, you're really screwed. Should I have said that? You go from stripping it to having a door that's stripped, and once it's dried, you've got to sand down to raw wood. And what we do is we sand first with 80 grit, and then we come back over the 80 grit with 120. It's not simple. Here, hold it. This is 80 grit. Next time you're in Lowe's, Walmart, someplace that sells sandpaper, stop by, check out what the 80 grit looks like. It's like pebbles glued to paper. That's the first one that you do. So it strips off the stripper, the stain, and any imperfections that might have happened during the stripping process. You've got to do this. Some people don't. Some people come back and they'll just stain right over this. It's all splotchy. It works, but it's not professional. People get by with it, but if you're going to pay somebody to strip something, do it this way. This is the proper way. It's a pain, but it's the proper way. You can see I still have some more sanding to do at the 80 grit. After that I have to hit it with the 120. We go from this to a finished sand door which gets stained. So then you're stripping, you're sanding, you're sanding again, then you're staining. And then you got to go 3 to 4 coats of urethane on this. So like I said, this is a real pain. If you have the money to maintain these, which obviously some people do, then do what you like. If you're on a budget, you don't want maintenance, consider this before you before you go with the stained door.